Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to set name, password and how to remove it. So before I start the video, please don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. So without wasting time, let us start the video. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to go to the setting. So you have to press the setting. So come down. So you see here lock screen, so you have to press this one. Then you see here first one screen lock tab, so you have to press this one. So you see here password, so you have to press this password, so you have to name it, so you have to press continue, so again you have to press it, so you have to press OK. So you see here you have to click this one, done. So name password has been set. I will show you. See, now you have to open it, done. So it is done, the password has been set. So now how to remove it, this password? So again you have to go to the setting, then you have to scroll it down, then you see here lock screen, so you have to press this one. So again you have to press this one, so you give a password to remove it. Next, then you see here none, so you have to press this one. See, the password has been removed. You can remove it through go to the setting. So it is done now. So before you leave this video, please don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.